They grew up in the same neighborhood, went to the same school, had the same friends. Ava and Leo, children, share laughter and secrets under the golden sun. They share family dinners. Ava and Leo were inseparable as kids. Both came from humble beginnings. Their parents worked hard, but money was always tight. Young Ava and Leo share notes, their faces reflecting mutual support and understanding. Their close bond shines as they help each other, a silent promise of unwavering friendship. After college, Ava got a job at a marketing firm. She was grateful and careful. Ava looks stressed as she reviews bills. Ava turns down a risky investment opportunity, opting for the security of a stable paycheck. Leo, however, was different. He worked too, but kept talking about assets, leverage, and value creation. I attend a free seminar, my mind buzzing with ideas. I try various side hustles, failing repeatedly, but remaining optimistic. The scene emphasizes my entrepreneurial spirit and willingness to take risks. Ava lies on her couch, the glow of her phone highlighting her exhaustion. She scrolls through social media, each post a painful reminder of her own struggles. The weight of unrewarded labor and stalled progress crushes her. Rent notices accumulate, trapping her in a relentless cycle of effort without advancement. Leo sits hunched over his desk, the glow of the computer screen reflecting in his eyes. Leo failed, again and again, but he saw each failure as feedback. He adjusted, learned. Then, things started shifting. A slow smile spreads across Leo's face as he lands his first client. His fingers fly across the keyboard, initiating his first investment. A surge of excitement courses through him as he watches the numbers climb. This is it. This is the turning point. Poor people spend money to look rich. Rich people invest to grow freedom. Ava and Leo meet for coffee. In the dim light, Wa's face glows as she scrolls through Instagram, her finger pausing over a picture of expensive shoes. With a decisive click, Ava buys the shoes. Elsewhere, Leo hunches over his laptop, reinvesting his profits. He automates his income. Amidst the twinkling lights of the wedding, Ava and Leo reunite. Ava asks, "How did you do it?" Leo responds, "I stopped working for money. I made money work for me." The scene marks a turning point for Ava as she realizes the importance of changing her mindset. Ava dove into a new world: books, podcasts, new habits. Ava is engrossed, surrounded by the tools of her transformation. She cut the noise, stopped chasing, started building. The room buzzes with quiet determination. Ava meticulously tracks every penny, embracing a path towards financial freedom. She pours her heart into creating a digital product, her dedication unwavering. She made her first 100 while sleeping, a testament to her hard work and unwavering determination. Within 2 years, Wa's life transforms. A thriving business, passive income, and a profound shift in her relationship with money. She wasn't just earning, she was thinking differently. Leo watches Ava, his eyes reflecting pride and admiration. Ava and Leo clink their coffee glasses, a silent toast to their shared journey. Sunlight floods Wa's modern office as she speaks directly to the viewer. Ava declares, "Wealth isn't in your bank account. It starts in your mind." She urges, "Change how you think and your reality follows." Are you ready to shift? The screen displays a simple, powerful message. Wealth is a mindset. Start today. Sunlight dances through the leaves as Ava and Leo walk along a winding path, their expressions reflecting a deep, earnest conversation. Leo shares words of encouragement. "I always knew you had it in you, Ava. You just needed to unlock the right mindset." Ava responds with gratitude. "Thanks to you, I finally understand that wealth is more than just money." In the quiet of her home office, Ava is bathed in the soft glow of her laptop, a beacon of her ambition. Her fingers dance across the keys, each tap resonating with her newfound purpose and control. Concentration etches lines on her brow, determination sets her jaw, yet a relaxed confidence permeates her posture. Sunlight bathes the conference room as Leo leads the meeting, his confidence and genuine interest filling the space. Around the table, the team members are attentive, their notepads and laptops ready to capture every word. Bathed in the gentle glow of a lamp, Ava sits at a wooden table, lost in the world of personal finance. Her brow furrows in concentration as she underlines key passages with a yellow highlighter, her pen dancing across the pages. She is committed to continuous learning and self-improvement. Sunlight floods the bustling coffee shop as Ava, sharp and confident, sits poised to transform financial futures. "I believe I can help you not just meet, but exceed your financial goals," Ava declares, her words cutting through the cafe's murmur. Was passion ignites as she promises a path to success. It's about empowering you with the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your financial future. Leo relaxes at home, surrounded by books and art that reflect his diverse interests. The scene showcases the freedom and fulfillment that financial independence brings. Amidst the vibrant chaos of the city, Ava and Leo walk, their eyes absorbing the diverse tapestry of urban life. Ava reflects, "It's fascinating, isn't it? How money dictates so much of what we do." Leo responds, "Absolutely. The opportunities are here, but so are the challenges. It's a constant balancing act." Sunlight floods his modern office as she conducts a webinar. Her voice, clear and confident, fills the room, inspiring viewers to transform their lives. Her passion for wealth creation is evident as she urges them to take control of their financial futures. Sunlight floods Leo's office, casting a warm glow as Leo leans forward, his expression a beacon of encouragement. Across from him, Anna's face is a canvas of determination and apprehension. With a warm gesture, Leo's gaze conveys unwavering support. Ava and Leo sit on a park bench, bathed in dappled sunlight, lost in quiet contemplation. Ava expresses gratitude. "I am so grateful for our friendship, Leo. I don't know where I would be without you." Leo responds with warmth. "The feeling is mutual, Ava. We have come a long way together." Ava reflects on their impact. "I think we have really made a difference in each other's lives." Leo concludes with a profound insight. "Definitely. It just goes to show how important relationships and community are in achieving success." In the quiet of her home office, Ava sits at her desk, bathed in the gentle glow of a lamp. Her pen dances across the pages of her journal, capturing her dreams and aspirations. A sense of optimism washes over Ava, each stroke of her pen a step towards a life of purpose and abundance. Sunlight floods Leo's modern office as he sits at his large desk, a sleek pen in hand. His brow furrows in concentration as he signs a check. The check, a symbol of his commitment, is made out to a charitable cause. The sun ascends over the city skyline, a radiant beacon of a fresh day and burgeoning opportunities. Viewers embrace the future with hope and optimism.